This is a 3D render of the Nvidia RTX 4090 that turned out way worse than I expected. And here is the crap top I rendered it on. This process would be way faster and look way better if I actually had the 4090. So in today's video I'm going to be making one myself, DIY. And the thumbnail was clickbait. No, of course it's not gonna work. It's a cardboard model. First up, I spent 3 hours designing this. Like, this was my entire day. You better subscribe. I got an accurate model of the RTX 4090 online and made a series of orthographic renders. I made the actual designs in Illustrator, then brought them over to the laser cutter to prep for cutting. Usually when I'm making something like this, I make all the parts in Illustrator but then prep them for cutting in Lightburn and figure out how many I need and where I need them and what needs to be flipped, etc. Now we get to move on to the cutting part. This is the most satisfying and funnest part by far, just watching this laser cutter cut everything so precisely. I loaded large sheets of cardboard into the laser cutter and it was so easy. Like, the laser cutting is probably the easiest part of the process. If you want the project files for this, then drop a comment and I'll upload the DXF and the Adobe Illustrator files, because really you just need to prep it based on the thickness of the cardboard you're using. I did a lot of trial and error to find the right power and speed for the laser cutter so it cut the parts cleanly but didn't leave loads of char and ash and smoke. Bear in mind, if you do want to make this project on your own, then you'll need to modify the project files. I've given quite a lot because I did that on the fly in Lightburn. Now all that's left is the assembly. I was using a kind of broken hot glue gun, so that did make the process a bit more difficult, but overall it wasn't that hard and didn't take too long, and it was pretty fun. I got to use a camera during this project, which was really fun. I used a tripod and tried lots of things I haven't really done before. Hopefully in future I can buy my own camera, so if you guys subscribe then maybe I will be able to. If this video gets over 50 likes, which I know you guys can do, then I will keep making sequels and eventually build an entire PC. So if you want to see that, then like the video, or even better, subscribe. I'm close to 200 subscribers, which isn't a lot in YouTube terms, but I'm progressing quite quickly. Thank you guys who are subscribed. And here we are with the completed project. I think this turned out great, especially for my first time. It was really fun. If you guys make this, then make sure to tag me and I will be happy. Thanks for watching. Bye.